Hey, thanks for coming back. We're in Module 15, and in this module, we are working with views in Excel. We've already gone through Section 1 where I showed you how to arrange your files so that if you'd like to see multiple files on the screen at the same time, you can. Now I want to talk to you about the new window feature option that Excel has. Excel has a feature where if you'd like to actually see in a single file the same sheets on the same screen, then you can actually use the new window option to actually do that. Let me show you how the new window option works. You can see that I'm working in this file called payroll, and if you look at the sheet tabs at the bottom, it looks like I have pay period ending 2/12 and I have another sheet for the pay period ending 2/19. Now these are basically the same except that the hours may change or someone's rate may have changed, and I want to compare these. Right now, if you notice, I have to click back and forth between the sheets to look at these. But what if I could see them both on the screen at the same time? And that's my goal with the new window option. Here's how this works. It doesn't matter which tab you're on and where you're clicked. If you go to the View tab and click on New Window, now what you'll notice is if you look at the name of your file, it now says payroll, but it says :2 at the end. And what that's letting me know is that I'm in a second copy of my file. Now let me just make this a little bit bigger so we can see this. Same file, I've just got two copies of it actually open. Now remember we talked about in Section 1 how you could go to the View tab and you can arrange your files. Let's say I arrange them and I arrange them vertically. That means when I click OK, I've got one on this side and one on this side. Now what if on the left I look at the sheet dated 2/12 and on the right I look at the sheet dated 2/19, and then of course I can scroll over and look at whatever information I'd like, but now I can see them both on the screen at the same time and do my visual comparison. And this is a great way to actually work with a file that has multiple sheets and you need to see the sheets at the same time. You can save this. This is one file. It's just that I'm seeing two copies. It doesn't matter which one you save. You can actually even close one of these and you've not closed the file itself, and now you can maximize and you're back in your original. And that's really all there is to working with the new window option. Let's go ahead now and go over into Section 3 and I'll show you how to use the custom views feature that is in Excel.